Loading and unloading an MEWP on a truck is always a delicate procedure, and even more in some conditions of limited visibility, such as at dawn or dusk. To simplify this procedure while enhancing user safety, Haulotte developed an innovative and ultra-high-performance lighting, the Haulotte Activ'Lighting system. The Haulotte Activ'Lighting system is unique. The lower control panel is fully illuminated. Folding command can be clearly identified on the panel, avoiding any uncontrolled and unexpected movements. As a result, the driver is more accurate and productive. To guarantee safe access, the basket and the dashboard are also illuminated. Driver safety is further optimized by easy access to the basket and prompt identification of the commands. Position and direction of lights have been studied and designed to prevent any risk of glare while operating the machine. In addition, lights located on the turret and on the boom make it possible to highlight obstacles and borders that can now be easily identified by the driver. The lighting management remains simple and easy. The twilight sensor activates the Haulotte Activ'Lighting system automatically. Moreover, the driver can turn the lights on and off manually if necessary. To preserve the machine autonomy, the ALS is only made of LED lights, guaranteeing a low energy consumption. With a minimum of 10 lighting points in total, access, controls and the surrounding area are perfectly lit. The Haulotte Activ'Lighting system is an essential feature, guaranteeing the driver's safety during loading or unloading operations.